Hi everyone, this is Anna, the Hot Option Babe. This is Friday, 11/11/11. Happy Veterans Day, and a big fat thank you to all the men who have served, men and women who have served in the past and who are serving us now. We really appreciate what you're doing for us and have done for us. Now I'm looking here at the SPY on a 4-hour chart, and I find this interesting because I drew a trend line, and what I believe we're doing here is back testing this what used to be the lower trend line, which we broke Wednesday, and we're doing some back testing here. The 4-hour looks like it wants to push up here. Now remember, it's Veterans Day, the bond market's closed, so a lot of people take the day off, so you're gonna have light volume. We've really had really light volume all week, but I suspect it's gonna be even worse today. Here you go on the daily, we get a sell signal here on the MACD histogram. Okay, now it doesn't say it can't turn back up, but that's pretty telling in itself, this divergence right there. So we'll sort of see what happens. I don't expect a big move up today, nor do I expect a big move down. So more or less a pause day. So we'll leave it at that. But that being said, the daily looks like it wants some more downside on the SPY, which the E-minis look pretty much exactly the same. Okay, you can see the weekly is just turning down here on the markets. The weekly is just turning down, all right, and it's starting to look like it wants to roll over. And there's still this massive head and shoulders here. Okay, we have to see. Now, they don't always play out, but a lot of times they do. Now, if I did the ES, it's going to look just about exactly. It is going to look the same. It's just the futures is not the same, but the chart looks the same. Now, taking a quick look at crude, because one of my members, he loves to trade crude oil. You can see how overbought we are here on crude oil. That being said, also a head and shoulder pattern. They pretty much line up with the ES most of the time. Now we're still holding this trend line here, okay? But we do have this rising wedge on crude. I'm going to just continue this wedge up here. We do have this rising wedge on crude, which I do believe will finally break to the downside. I think the only problem is that they manipulate, and the powers that be want to keep it up. So during the holidays, the thugs, the elite, the insiders, they want the spread between Brent and WTI to be as wide as possible, because the wider the spread, the more money they make. So, and you can see it's totally diverging here down here on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to keep it short today. I thank each and every one of you for being on a Hot Option Babe. I really, really appreciate you. I've had some awakenings here the past year and really realized that you guys are what makes the blog. It's not me, and I value each and every one of you. So have a great weekend. Have fun. It's chilly out down here in Florida. It's probably what is it right now? 52 degrees in Florida. Yoo-hoo. It's nice. I like it. Have a great weekend, and hugs and love to all.